Welcome back to Milesweb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our tutorials, make sure you click the bell icon. In this video, you will learn how to install MediaWiki from Softaculous. Before starting with the step-by-step process to install MediaWiki, first we will see what is MediaWiki. MediaWiki is a free server-based software or a content management system in the wiki software style that is used to build your own web presence. It is designed to run on a large cluster of servers for a website that gets millions of hits per day. MediaWiki is a powerful, scalable software and a feature-rich wiki implementation that uses PHP to process and display data stored in a database such as MySQL. Now, to install MediaWiki from Softaculous, follow these simple steps. Log in to the cPanel, navigate to the software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. On the left hand side, you will see a search box. In that, search for MediaWiki and click on it. As you can see, this Softaculous dashboard where you can click on Install Now to install MediaWiki. In the MediaWiki installation dashboard, you can edit the field named as Choose Installation URL to change the protocol, domain and directory, or leave them default. In the admin account section, you can enter admin username as per your choice or keep it as default. If you want to change the admin password, then click on the key icon and it will generate a strong alphanumeric password. Note this password as you will require it at the time of logging into MediaWiki. Go to Advanced Options and if you wish to, then you can enter the database name as per your choice. You can change the table prefix name as per your choice. This will give you a unique prefix to stop any naming conflicts or confusion to the database name. If you don't want any notification for emails, then check the option Disable Update Notifications Emails. Do not upgrade must be selected if you have performed any customizations in the code or theme. If they are auto upgraded, then there are high chances that it would override them. By selecting Upgrade to any latest version available option, if a new version of MediaWiki is available, then your current version gets updated to the latest version. In the email installation details to field, enter the email ID where you wish to receive the installation details. Now, click on the install button. It may take 3 to 4 minutes for the installation. Click on the administrative URL and enter the username and password. Then, click on Login button and you will see the MediaWiki dashboard. So, in this way, you can install MediaWiki from Softaculous. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.